Hey, it's Jessica Herman with Great Georgia Realty. If you love to hunt and fish, I have got the perfect property for you. This is a 161 acre tract that includes a 3.5 acre fully stocked pond and a 2,200 square foot custom built house. This property has tons of wildlife, including deer, turkey, ducks, and fish. The 3.5 acre stocked pond includes bass, brim, and catfish, has 2 docks and 2 feeders. The home includes a 3-stall covered enclosed barn and a 2-bay pole barn. The custom-built home is 2,200 square feet and is 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, plus a large bonus/game room. It also includes a large covered back porch. No expense has been spared in this home, including crown molding, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tile floors, spray foam insulation, tiled showers, and many more custom features. Also included on the property are 2 hunting condos, 2 tripod stands, and 6 lean-to stands. Give me a call for your personal tour.